Hi everybody, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So I am starting a Project Pan series. I have 7 products that I'm going to show you and talk about today, and every month I'm going to check in with you and show you the progress that I've made, as well as also make a series of videos where I create makeup looks using these products. Also too, it's important to know that if you love my eye look that I have going on today, it is using one of the products. Actually, I've used 2 of the products that are in this Project Pan series. Be on the lookout for the tutorial on this eye look, and hopefully it'll inspire you to start too. You'll want to make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because this is going to be an ongoing series every month, and so where I check in with you and show you how I'm doing. And also too, you'll get to see the makeup looks that I create with the makeup that I've had that I haven't used very much. And so, it saves us money, it saves us time, it saves the environment, it's using what you've got. So, who doesn't want more eye makeup looks using what they have, or figuring out how to use things that you've just had that you don't think you like or know that you like or whatnot. So I love this idea for so many reasons. And you'll want to stick around to the end to see which product created this look. So let's dive in and get started. The first item that I really want to use up, and I'm actually doing a really good job. Of course, with eyeshadow palettes, you use the colors you like, that's no problem, and then you're left with everything else that you don't think you like, don't think you can use. And so that's kind of the beauty of this series. Again, it's just so worth mentioning, because you're going to use up all that stuff that has just lingered, and learn to love it. You're going to probably learn to love a lot of it. I know I do. So when I give stuff a chance. So I've had this palette for years. It's from Sephora. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if there's a name for it, but it comes in this little case, really a very nice case. And it has a mirror on it, and it has all these colors. It came with a brush or 2. I still have the brush, it's just not here with me. But it has these kind of glittery shades all on the bottom. It had this really glittery black, which is actually why I bought the palette. But it has these kind of glittery shades, and then it kind of had it kind of graduated. It went from shimmery white and to the grays and to the black. And of course I've used the darkest and the lightest color, and I'm trying to work now on the middle. And of course I used most of that sparkly color there on the bottom. But yeah, I am working hard on this palette, and I've pretty much depanned completely 2 of them. And one of them is really close, and a few of them are really close. So this is product number 1 that I'm wanting to use up. And I'll have a tutorial using this at some point, so stay tuned for that. So the next product that I'm working on is actually a blush that I have had forever. And I sometimes use this as an eyeshadow when I want a pink, a bright kind of a pink, dusty pink. Not a dusty pink, but a robust pink. But this is old. It is CoverGirl Cheekers blush in Deep Rose. And I tend to use this for work because it's really good for the stage because it's really bright. But I'm gonna see if I can't create actually it's going on pretty nice. So, but you will see this in tutorials as well, just to show you, how to use blushers that like for instance, I love my NARS blush for natural looks, because it's so non-intrusive, and you can build it, and you don't get clown cheeks very easily. Blushers like this you can. So I'm gonna use these and use all these products in different tutorials to show you how to kind of make things work if that's something that you have trouble with. So yep, I'm wanting to use this up. It has taken forever. So that is product number 2. So product number 3, I haven't actually even hit pan on yet. It's NYX powder blush in cinnamon, and it's really kind of a bright coral. I use this for eyeshadow as well, and I have not hit pan in this yet. Really kind of a bright, let's see if I can get a good, it's right there. And again, I tend to use this for work as well because it is kind of bright, but again, I'm going to try to use this in kind of a real world sense. And that's where I get a little bit, my makeup can kind of get a little odd because I do apply stage makeup, and so when I'm not on stage, applying with a light hand is difficult. And so I'm gonna be learning with you. So we're gonna learn together how to use some of these products that I'm so used to using for stage and apply them to real life. So that is product number 3. Product number 4 you've seen before, and this is gonna probably be an easy one for me, but it's my little Beauty Benefits Hollywood Contour Palette. You have seen this quite a bit. And kind of once this is done, I'm probably gonna move exclusively to cream contour for work. And this is pretty much where I use this, is at work. It's actually, I have the NARS contour palette, and this is actually a whole lot more pigmented. You really actually have to kind of go with a lighter hand, especially on the darker color. But it's really a very nice contour kit. But yeah, it's on its way to being done soon-ish. So yeah, I put this in this project as well because I'm gonna try to just use this exclusively for the next while. The next product you may or may not have seen before. It's actually this Smashbox palette, and it's called the Mini Box palette. And a friend gave this to me. It's old, and it had like highlighters, let's see, it had eyeshadows and blush and soft lights, which basically had like highlighters. I think it had a highlighter and a bronzer, and now it has a blush here on the top. So I'm trying to use that up. It's just kind of a good generic color blush, you know. I don't even think it's called Geranium. All the names are on the back. And Suntan, I had already used Suntan, and Lens was like a highlighter, and I used both of those. This will be no problem, the blush will be no problem. And then it's got these eyeshadows. We got Vanilla, Nude, Ambient, and Sienna, Cinder, Rose, Peacock, and Ultramarine. And of course, I've been using this one here for my eyebrows mixed in with my contour, my dark contour, as you've seen in one of my last Get Ready With Me's. And I've used the light color up. Light colors are always easy. And so yeah, I'm gonna try to create some looks using these really very pretty colors. So I'm gonna just really start working hard and try to utilize these colors for really how very pretty they are. So be on the lookout for tutorials using these colors. Also, do you have this palette? I would love to know someone else that has this palette. If you do, drop a comment below and let me know. 2 more items, and both of them are involved in the look that I have going on today. So I have had this forever, and I'm not wanting to use it. Well, I'm wanting to use it up, but only because it's not because I don't love it. I would actually repurchase it totally again. It's my HG, just as it's a lot of people's. But I'm wanting to move on to a different color. So this is my NARS Orgasm Blush that I've had forever, and I just hit pan in the middle. It has taken me so long to do it because I don't wear it every day. And I'm wearing that blush now. And yeah, I'm wanting to move on to Deep Throat. And I just feel so bad buying it without making more progress on this. So I'm excited to move on from this and try that. I love the quality of these blushes. They go on so nice. They're so good for like natural wear. They would actually never work for my stage makeup. They're just they're too subtle, you know, they're gorgeous. And so I've heard the Deep Throat is a little bit more pink. This one's a little bit more coral. So I'm excited to move on from this and try that. So I'm gonna be trying to use this more. And the final product, and the product that went into this eye look exclusively, is my old Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. And I've already used up a couple of the colors. You know, like I said, you can always use up a couple colors. It's the rest of them that are the problem. Which I'm actually very surprised I haven't used up this one in the corner. That's actually a dupe for Urban Decay Lounge. It's a green with a brick red shift. But I don't know why. I guess I bought Urban Decay Lounge and stopped using that, and I don't know why. But yeah, my palette is broken and it's a mess. And so I used this palette to get this eye look. And even though this is old, I've had this forever, you can still purchase this palette. So I've probably had this one for 10 years honestly, but they still make it because it's actually pretty popular and very well loved. So anyways, I will be back to check in with you all next month, and in the meantime, I will have a tutorial or two using some of these products. And is there anything that you're trying to use up? Drop a comment below and let me know, and I would love to hear what has been lingering in your makeup collection. A couple of these items I wouldn't consider lingering in my collection, like the NARS or the contour palette, but definitely the Smashbox and the Sephora palette, the CoverGirl blush, and the Comfort Zone palette have been lingering. So let me know what you've been wanting to use up. What are your lingering products? Like just those ones that just won't go away. Let's use them together. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. That way you can keep up with this journey that I am on, as well as all the makeup looks I'm gonna create with all my old makeup that I didn't think I would use ever. Anyways, like this video, share this video. Maybe it'll inspire you to use up what you have and shop your stash. Also, follow me on social media. I'm gonna try to post pictures too in the meantime of my progress and whatnot too. So keep up with me. Follow my social media, my Instagram, my Facebook page. They'll be linked below. And thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time. Bye.